Clan Mar finds its origins in the historical region of Mar, situated between the Rivers Don and Dee in Aberdeenshire. Mar was one of the 7 ancient kingdoms of Scotland, ruled by individuals known as mormaers. The Mormaer of Mar wielded considerable power and influence, with their territory serving as a crucial political and geographical point. One of the most notable moments in Clan Mar's history was the Battle of Coltarf in 1014. Donald, the Mormaer of Mar, fought valiantly alongside the High King of Ireland, Brian Boru, against invading Norsemen. This battle marked a turning point in the struggle against Viking incursions. In 1114, the Abbey of Scone's charter mentioned the Mormaer of Mar as Rothiri, who was bestowed the Latin title comes, akin to a modern-day earl. This marked the transition of power and the beginning of the earldom's prominence. The lineage of Clan Mar saw significant shifts in power and alliances. From Morgund, the second Earl of Mar, witnessing charters to the Abbey of Dunfermline, to Donald, the 5th Earl, becoming a regent of Scotland and chamberlain of the realm, the clan's influence was far-reaching. Isabel of Mar, the daughter of Donald, the 6th Earl of Mar, would go on to marry Robert the Bruce, solidifying the clan's connection to the Scottish crown. This alliance was further strengthened when Gratny, the 7th Earl, married Robert's sister, Christian. Like many clans, Clan Mar faced challenges and trials. The capture of Donald, the 8th Earl, during the Battle of Methven in 1306 marked a period of captivity that lasted until the victorious Battle of Bannockburn. The clan's unwavering loyalty to the Bruce claim to the throne showcased their commitment to the nation's freedom. The clan's history extended into the Jacobite era, with John, the 23rd Earl, being appointed Duke of Mar in 1715 by the exiled James VIII. This period showcased the clan's unwavering dedication to their principles, even in times of political upheaval. In 1824, the restoration of the earldom by an Act of Parliament signalled a recognition of Clan Mar's historical importance. Despite the complexities of titles and lineage, the clan's legacy lives on.